Welcome to Royal Palm Beach Resort in Sint Maarten. This right here is a drone tour of the resort and its vicinities, so you can see how it actually looks like. If you are indeed enticed, make sure you book it with me. Starting off with the hotel, and the great thing is, they are all beachfront. So that means you really can't go wrong whichever room they give you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Another great thing about the Royal Palm Beach Resort is that it may have the calmest and cleanest beach on the Dutch side of the island. That just means that it's a must-stay and a must-see. One thing I like about this restaurant is that it's surrounded by a bunch of restaurants that is walking distance. You'll definitely have a lot of options to choose from. However, if you're lazy to go out, they do have their own restaurant as well. During our stay here, it didn't feel crowded at all, so that's definitely a plus. You can snorkel and rent jet skis on the nearby vendors as well. Check out those 3 jet skis below. Yep, you guessed it, it does have a centralized pool right by the lobby. And yes, the pool is heated. Great for night swimming. To the left of the bridge is the police station, so you definitely feel safe. And looking at that white sand makes me want to go back and chill. Here's another up-close view of the pool, and make sure you stay tuned for upcoming videos. You see those buildings right across the road? Those are the restaurants that I was talking about. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you stay tuned for more upcoming Sint Maarten videos to come. Peace out!